Respected customer, you have taken a wise decision by choosing our software for the upcoming of your business. Congratulations. You are welcome to eSmith, human-centered ERP from Technolks. Now you can follow the easiest method in using our software. It is simplified to enrich your business as whole. Multiple languages can be selected and used at your convenience. You can log into the field by using your own username and password. Joining. Joining is a process of connecting different parts of metal to complete the ornament. Process flows and scrubs may be produced out of joining. Here we can control and erase the process flows and scrub. Employee-wise process details, batch-wise location details, loss at par with employee has to be identified. Raw materials from different locations have to be handled in joining process. Transaction details of raw materials, loss and scrub, batch, order, ornament, etc. has to be derived from this location according to time and date. Being a keyless entry process, possibility of wrong entry is controlled and the accuracy will be 99%. Let's see how to create form for joining. In Master menu, go to Manufacturing submenu. In Manufacturing submenu, can find Joining. Click on it. In the Open form, we can create joining. First, we want to bring the bag into joining location. We can select the bag in two different ways. First, we can scan the barcode. You can see the details. The second method is by clicking Job button near to process. Now we can see all bags in our location. We can select the required bag. Sales order details of the selected bag can be seen in sales order grid. The content can be seen on the left side. In this grid, we can see the sales order design details, design type, design size, quantity and weight. Bag name, group, etc. can be seen in the next grid. In the next grid, we can see the bag design details. Item details inside the order can be seen here. At the right side grid, we can see the actual weight inside the bag or batch. Then we can go back to process field. Here we can see the transfer bags which are taken through scanning of barcode or through job. These bags can be transferred to different locations to different users. Total quantity of the bag can be seen here. By right click of mouse, we can see the purity, total stone and other details. Select the location, user, then click on transfer button. We can transfer the bag to the required location. Selected. Production item detail we can see in production item location. Here we can see transfer number and transfer quantity. From here we can transfer the items by selecting various locations. How much quantity we want to transfer that can be entered. In the area of diamond we can give numbers. In this location we can see the total quantity of stock. By right click of mouse we can see the purity, total stone and other details. Enter the transfer quantity, select the location, select the user, then click in the transfer button. The balance quantity we can see here. Next to this we can see item add to bag. We can add raw materials to the bag. Add location is used to add items into the bag to this location. Selected bag details are given here. Now we can add additional quantity. Here we are going to add 5 gram. 22 kg is selected. Quantity column we can give 5 gram weight. The item can be added according to the sales order details only. Suppose the order bag is for 22 kg. There we cannot add 18 kg. Then we can save using Save button. See the details. If you want to cancel the given details, we can use the Cancel button. We can reduce the items from this location. There are 3 locations: this location, lost location, and scrub location. Where do we want to see the reduced quantity? That location to be selected from this list. Here selected this location and gave 5 gram quantity. We can see the 22 kYg increased in production item has 50 gram from 45 gram and reduced in item Add to Bag location. Next, we can select the scrub location. Here selected VVS1 and saved. To see the scrub location, it can be seen in the LNS location near to job. To see the details, click on LNS location. We will get a page opened. Refresh in the item scrub field. We can see the details. If we are selecting the lost location, we can see the details in item lost location at LNS location. These details can be exported in Excel and PDF format. We can search the items by using date, item, size, etc. The whole item-wise loss and scrub details we can see in loss history location. Click on it and refresh in the field. We can see the details. By using location, employee, from date, to date, item, size, we can filter the details. Total quantity is given in left side. Here also we can export the details into Excel and to PDF. Then we can go to process field. Next area is job sent to Smith. Here we can send the selected job to Smith. Now we can see design, gross weight, weight to Smith, etc. Additional job details can be given in the narration field. Then select the Smith. Click on Send button. In the next grid, we can see the handling bag of Smith. All the details we can see here. Next grid is job received from Smith. Here we can see the details of weight received from Smith. To this area, we want to bring the details. Select the bag through barcode. Send and receive details of Smith can be seen. Then we can see the total weight of the bag has 7 gram. Then select the Smith, enter the received weight, example 6 gram. Then we can see the weight difference in red color, 1 gram. 1 gram is received as loss, 200 ml as scrub. Now we can see 800 ml loss. Item-wise loss and scrub can be given separately. If the loss is crossed the pre-calculated limit, the loss control system will be activated and the system will not accept the loss quantity, and the receive button will not be enabled. Then the total loss apart from scrub will be automatically registered to the account of Smith. Additional information we can give in narration field. Now we can see 3 buttons enabled: Report, Receive, and Cancel. Click on Report. Here we can report scrub, loss, and excess weight without receiving the bag from Smith. This report is also can be seen in LNS location and LNS history. Here you can see the scrub details. If it is loss, that report we can see in item loss field. Then by clicking on the receive button, we can receive bag from Smith. Next, see bag history. Click on it. Here we can see the items added to bag and items taken from the bag. Export button can be used to convert the details into Excel PDF file. We can filter the details of the bag by entering bag name, from date, to date, items, and size. Next is bag transaction history. Here we can see the transaction history of your bag. Here see the details of the transferred bag. Here we can see from which location it has come by date, user, and location. Total quantity we can see at the left side. This field can be exported to Excel and PDF format. Bag out this location. In this field we can see the details of bags sent to other locations. This also can be exported. Bag transaction history can be filtered by using name, date, item, and size. Next is location history. In this page, we can see the inward items to this location. Item outward details are also seen. All the details can be seen according to the item, size, number, quantity, etc. These details can be exported in PDF, Excel. Reduced and transferred item details can be seen in item out location. Total quantity can be seen in the left side. Can be exported to Excel and PDF format. See the filtering details. To get details of stock, click on stock. We can drag this grid at our convenience. Inward stock, current stock, stock in bag, etc. can be seen according to their purity, weight, and analysis. In analysis, you can see the graphical representation of data.